how to download and add Roblox Plus extension on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Chrome Web Store, search for it on Google, search for Chrome Web Store, and you will find it. Now all what you have to do is just search here for Roblox Plus like this and click enter. Click on the first option and here is the Roblox Plus. Click here on add to Chrome and click on add extension, and everything is gonna be done. It's gonna be here as you can see. It's actually very easy, and here you can see how to use it. It's very easy. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.